Hi, I'm Sally Wintrick, and this is my husband, Fred, and we live in Orion Home in Charleston Club in Magnolia Green, Virginia. We were ready to look for a place to retire.
You know, we're getting a little older, so we decided that we needed to get on one level.
We also knew that we didn't want to move into a retirement-only community.
When we found Magnolia Green and then the Charleston Club section of that, we knew that we had found the place for us. It was very welcoming. From the first time we walked through the community, one of the gentlemen who lives now across the street from us came over, said hello, introduced himself.
And everybody wanted to know what our interests were, and there are all kinds of groups if you choose to be busy.
The amenities, the new aquatic center had just opened. The golf course clubhouse had just opened, which spoke to me.
It's a very user-friendly community for any activity you could think of and just enjoying where we are.
I was in the military for almost 30 years. Their idea of choosing a house was, okay, Wintrick, that's your house, take your family and move in. The Ryan process gives you plenty of opportunity to customize and make the house look the way you want it to look, but they're there every step of the way to help you.
Without being overbearing and telling you what you want.
We built a very nice home with the right options and custom finishes for us, but the process was the people. From the first person we met when we came into the model until we closed on our house, every person we met was positive, responsive, professional, and more than anything, they listened to what we had to say about what we wanted.
There was never a time in the process where you had second thoughts or misgivings about any decisions that you had made.
We've been married a long time, 50 years, 50 plus, and so one of the things that this process did for us was it just brought us closer together, choosing a lot and a floor plan and all the finishing. That's why we're doing this video. We got a great house and we met some really great people while we were doing it. And we had fun. And it was fun.